Hey cheerful friends, today I'll draw Bluey and her friends at a Halloween party, filled with costumes, laughter, and spooky fun. While the drawing comes to life, let's enjoy this Halloween story together. And don't forget, tap the like button like you're lighting a pumpkin lantern for Bluey. It makes her smile glow even brighter. The night was cool and sparkly. The moon was shining high. Bluey wore a witch hat, and Bingo waved nearby. "Come on, Bluey," shouted Indy with glee. "I'm a fairy tonight. Come dance with me." Mackenzie wore a ghost sheet, floating all around. "Woo," he said softly, making a spooky sound. Coco came dressed like a butterfly queen, with wings that shimmered orange and green. Rusty had a helmet, a brave knight so proud. "Let's guard the candy," he said aloud. "Can you shout trick or treat? Like Bluey and friends? Go ahead, loud and sweet. The fun never ends." They ran from house to house, bags swinging left and right. Pumpkins glowed brightly. What a wonderful sight. Every friend laughed, their hearts full of delight, collecting candies under the silver moonlight. Bluey giggled, "Bingo, look at this sweet." Bingo smiled wide. "Chocolate, my treat." Indy spun in circles, her fairy wings twirling, while Coco clapped hands, her laughter swirling. "Let's go to the park," Mackenzie said with a grin. "There's a spooky party waiting within." They followed the lanterns, all shining in line. Music played softly. The night felt divine. "Can you pretend to dance like Bluey? Spin once, clap twice, say boo." So spooky. Dad arrived later, with Bandit's big roar. "I'm a pirate tonight. Candy, I'll explore." Mum wore a cat tail and meowed with flair. Everyone giggled. Joy filled the air. Bluey twirled around, cape flying high. Her witch hat wobbled, touching the sky. Bingo bounced happily, holding her ghosty bag, while Rusty saluted, waving his candy flag. The music played faster. The kids stomped their feet, dancing with laughter to the Halloween beat. "Look at the moon," shouted Indy in awe. "It's smiling tonight. Just look what we saw. Can you howl like a friendly wolf?" "A woo." Bluey did it too, and so did you. As the night grew calmer, stars twinkled bright. Bluey hugged Bingo. "What a perfect night." Mum smiled gently. "Time to go home, dear crew." Dad whispered softly, "We're proud of you too." They waved to their friends. "See you next play." And Bluey whispered sweetly, "Best Halloween day." Now give a big wave to Bluey and her band. Happy Halloween, friends, from the funnest land.